Hi Nancy, how are you today?
I'm good, Jane. You?
I'm okay. You look amazing.
Thank you. I feel good too.
Did you change your routine recently?
Yes, I started exercising every day.
Really? You look so fit.
I also changed my eating habits.
What do you eat now?
Mostly vegetables, fruits, and protein.
That sounds very healthy, Nancy.
It helps me feel more energetic.
I feel tired most days.
Maybe you need better food.
I eat a lot of snacks.
Try to stop eating junk food.
I love chips and cookies though.
I loved them too, before.
How did you stop eating them?
I replaced them with fruit snacks.
Fruit snacks don't sound exciting.
They taste good when fresh, Jane.
Do you cook every single day?
Yes, I enjoy home cooking now.
I usually order fast food.
Fast food made me feel tired.
I think it makes me bloated.
Try eating light dinners every night.
I eat heavy meals at night.
That's not good for your body.
What time do you eat dinner?
Around 6 or 7 in evening.
I usually eat around 9.
Try eating earlier. You'll feel better.
Okay, maybe I will try that.
Good. Small changes make big differences.
Did you also start working out?
Yes, I started with walking daily.
How long do you walk for?
30 minutes in the morning.
That sounds easy enough for me.
It's a good place to start.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, 3 times every single week.
Wow, that's very impressive, Nancy.
I started small, then added more.
I want to lose weight too.
You can do it, trust me.
I need help staying motivated though.
I'll help you stay on track.
Really? That would be so great.
Of course. We can start together.
When can we start, Nancy?
How about tomorrow morning, 7 a.m.?
Morning sounds hard, but okay.
We'll start with a light walk.
Okay, that doesn't sound too bad.
You'll feel better after walking daily.
Do you stretch before walking too?
Yes, stretching is very important, Jane.
I haven't stretched in years honestly.
That's okay, we'll go slowly.
What should I wear to walk?
Comfortable clothes and walking shoes, Jane.
I think I have good shoes.
Great. That's a good first step.
What about eating after walking?
I eat eggs and fruit usually.
I usually eat toast and butter.
Try eggs, yogurt, or fresh smoothies.
Smoothies sound delicious and refreshing too.
They're also full of good nutrients.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, 1 cup with no sugar.
I add sugar and cream, though.
Try cutting sugar slowly each week.
That might help. I'll try it.
You'll adjust. Just go step by step.
I always quit after 1 week.
That's okay. Let's try again together.
Thanks, Nancy. You're really supportive.
You're welcome. I believe in you.
How long did your change take?
It took me about 4 months.
That's a long time, Nancy.
Yes, but it was worth it.
Did your clothes start fitting better?
Yes, I needed smaller sizes eventually.
That must have felt really amazing.
It felt great, honestly life-changing.
I want to feel that too.
Then let's make this your start.
I'm nervous but also excited now.
That's a good mix of feelings.
What if I mess up again?
Everyone makes mistakes. Just keep trying.
Did you ever eat junk again?
Yes, sometimes. I just kept balance.
So it's okay to enjoy?
Of course. Just not every day.
I like that idea, Nancy.
Healthy life includes small treats sometimes.
I want chocolate once a week.
That sounds perfectly okay to me.
What's your favorite healthy snack now?
I love apple slices with peanut butter.
That sounds really tasty, honestly.
Want me to make you some?
Yes, please. I'd love to try.
Great, I'll bring some tomorrow.
You're the best, Nancy. Thanks again.
I'm happy to help you, Jane.
So, tomorrow we walk and stretch?
Yes, 30 minutes and light stretch.
Will we talk while walking too?
Yes. It makes time go fast.
I like walking with a friend.
Me too. It keeps me going.
I'm already looking forward to it.
I'll bring water for both of us.
I should buy a water bottle.
Yes, reusable bottles are very useful.
What's your dinner tonight, Nancy?
Grilled chicken with sweet potatoes, salad.
That sounds delicious and healthy too.
Want to join for dinner someday?
Yes, I'd love to come over.
We can cook healthy food together.
Cooking with you sounds really fun.
It will be. I promise that.
I want to try new meals.
Great. I'll share my recipes too.
How many calories do you eat?
Around 1,800 daily. Sometimes less.
I never count my calories ever.
It helps me understand my eating.
Maybe I'll try that this week.
I'll show you an easy app.
Thanks. You make things sound doable.
Because they are, with right support.
I'm lucky to have you around.
And I'm happy we're doing this.
Do your friends support your journey?
Yes, but some didn't understand first.
That must have been hard emotionally.
It was, but I stayed focused.
I want to stay strong too.
You will. I'll help you always.
Do you sleep early at night?
Yes, sleep helps with weight loss.
I usually sleep very late, though.
Try sleeping by 10 every night.
I'll try starting with midnight first.
That's a good beginning, Jane.
I'm already learning so much today.
You're doing great just by starting.
I'll clean my kitchen tonight too.
Great idea. Remove the tempting snacks.
Goodbye cookies, chips, and soda bottles.
Say hello to fruits and vegetables.
I'll go shopping after our walk.
Want me to come with you?
Yes, please, help me choose better.
I know all the healthy brands.
You really are a wellness expert.
Just a girl with healthy goals.
Can I take before pictures today?
Yes. They'll show your great progress.
I'll keep a journal for changes.
Smart move. Writing helps keep track.
I'm feeling motivated again, finally.
That's the spirit, Jane. Keep going.
I'm glad I talked with you.
I'm always here for you, Jane.
Tomorrow at 7, right?
Yes, meet at the park gate.
I'll be there, ready and excited.
Me too. Let's start strong together.
Thanks again, Nancy. Let's do this.
Let's do this, Jane. We've got this.